Imagine waking up one day and realizing your Meta ads just stopped working. Your leads drop, your sales freeze, and you don't know why. Well, it's not a glitch. Meta ads is changing. Let's get to know how Meta is going all in on AI. Let's start with Advantage Plus campaigns. They're no longer optional, they're now the default for scaling. These campaigns use AI to auto-optimize everything: creative, copy, placements, even budget distribution, in real time. You give it assets, and it figures out the best combinations. Now, placements. Meta has introduced Advantage Plus placements, where the AI chooses the exact spots your ads perform best. Same goes for Advantage Plus audiences. Instead of strict interest targeting, Meta's AI builds your audience based on behavior, intent, and platform data. Now here's the silent killer: campaign budget optimization is changing too. Before, you controlled how budget moved across ad sets. But now, Meta's system is aggressively reallocating budgets to whatever ad set is performing better. And here's something else: Meta wants conversations, not just clicks. That's why Click to WhatsApp and Click to Messenger ads now include automated lead capture tools. You can qualify leads and even close sales, right in the inbox. Less friction, faster results. All of these changes mean one thing: AI is now your media buyer. You're not telling Meta what to do, you're feeding it the right data, the right creative, and letting it run. If you resist this shift, your performance will drop. If you adapt, you'll scale faster than ever before. For more such tips like this video and follow us.